The Cadet Com-Pak Wall Heater CSC152TW delivers surprisingly strong, even heat for small to medium rooms, thanks to its efficient fan force design and wattage options suited to common household circuits. Its recessed, low-profile housing and clean white grille help it blend into the wall so it does not dominate the room the way a portable space heater often does. Built-in temperature control with an adjustable thermostat makes it easy to dial in a comfortable setting without needing a separate wall control. The unit is thoughtfully engineered for straightforward installation with a wall can, heater assembly, and grille that go together with minimal hardware for most retrofit or new construction setups. Durable construction, including a sturdy metal wall can and a tough painted finish, gives this heater a solid long-term feel instead of something flimsy or disposable. Safety and reliability are strong points here, with a quiet enclosed fan, overheat protection, and certification from a recognized testing laboratory, providing extra peace of mind for daily use.